Hi, Naira.
Hello, how are you?
Good to see you. Yeah, you looking good? Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you. What's
Uh,
up?
all good. Looks like a breeze, eh? Are you in your balcony or somewhere? I can see the breeze flowing.
Look what I'm eating.
Oh, wow.
We just finished our lunch and it was so amazing. I'm like, Mom, I'm gonna have this gulab jamun while I'm alive, you know.
Oh,
It's such an amazing thing.
you can afford to eat. You are so fit.
Yeah. We already finished. We are a family of three people and you sent me three different biryanis and it's already over, imagine.
Really?
Yeah,
When you say
it's all
you mean
yeah.
parents and you?
Sorry?
When you say family of three, who all are there in the house?
So me, myself, my mom, and my brother.
Oh, okay. Your mom and
Yeah.
brother. Oh, great.
Yes.
So, because I think you chose quite well, I was looking at your order. You had a Lucknowi from Biryani by Kilo. You had a Lucknowi biryani, Calcutta biryani, Hyderabadi, mutton nihari. So, which are one of our, the really good. But you are a mutton fan?
Actually, I'm a chicken fan, mutton because my mother. So I'm
Okay.
a Bengali and I've
Okay.
also done a lot of films in Hyderabad and that's the reason I ordered Hyderabadi biryani and the Kolkata dum biryani.
Uh, no, because I
Yeah.
saw variety, you ordered everything. But so you are born. Did you ever grew up in Calcutta or West Bengal at any point? No.
No, I'm born and brought up in Bombay, but I've lived in Calcutta for 2 years because my father was posted there.
Okay. So
So
two.
otherwise, I'm a Mumbaiite
So
proper.
when you school, college, what part of your life you were in Calcutta?
So I think we were in fourth standard. I think I was in fourth standard when I was in Calcutta for two
Quite,
years.
quite young. Okay. But mostly Bombay only.
Yeah. All my
Mostly.
life I've been in Bombay.
So I was doing a little bit. I was checking your profile before this talk, and you're so
Yeah.
talented. I've seen like, you've done classical music, dance. You are a lawyer, Tamil, Telugu. I don't know how many language movies.
Yeah. See, I belong to a Bengali family, and in Bengali family, it's a tradition. It's a culture that you have to learn singing, dancing, and painting. So these things are in the roots of any Bengali family.
Okay. So
So yeah, that's the reason I've learned it. But I never intended to go into the film business. I'm a lawyer by
yeah.
academically.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Practice.
and
Did you practice law at some point? Did you?
no, no. So my hobby turned into my profession, and I actually did pretty well. I mean, the recognition was good, the money was good, people loved me, my work. So I decided, like, अगर यहाँ पे ही होना है, तो try करके देख लेते हैं.
Of
And it
course.
happened. Yeah.
Uh, and how did you learn Tamil, Telugu, Tamil, all those Malayali languages while you were doing the movies?
So we have to learn the language. It's not an easy job at all. I actually, when I was in Hyderabad, I was conversing with people, with all the staff in Telugu. Whenever
Hmm.
I went to Chennai, I tried learning. I've still not picked up the Tamil language that well, but Telugu is still better. I
Hmm.
can still talk in Telugu. Yeah.
But what about Bong movie? Have you done any Bengali movie?
I want to do. I definitely want to do. I do. The thing is, I don't have any connection with Kolkata. I don't know anybody from Calcutta.
But you know so how to speak Bengali well, right? Of course, you've done Malayali movies also, right?
Imagine a non-Malayali, a non-Telugu, a non-Tamil can do those. Bengali should be doing a Bengali film.
But that's what I'm saying.
You should let me know if you know anyone from the industry. I would love to work.
I think someone must be watching and would send you, I think, who knows, some invite for a Bong movie. Who knows?
I would love to do.
But I think you. I was just looking at a couple of things. You very talented. I was going through your profile, but so when did you start acting? What age? I mean, how many years?
So, no, so when I was studying, I had got my first offer. That too because I was recording for music. Okay.
Hmm,
I was recording a song, and a director happened to be in the dubbing studio.
hmm.
And he said that she's got a very pretty face and I think she should try an acting. And my parents were like, we don't know anybody from the industry, and we are like, we never thought that she should be going into this line. So a huge round table conference happened in my house, and finally my dad is like, okay, fine, you and your mother figure this out, and he supported us, and then it just happened. It was like a domino effect. It just
Yeah.
happened. Yeah.
No, but I think your looks help. I think your pretty face and eyes help. Eh?
Thank you.
It helps, right? No, I think you must be. What I really noticed. I was looking at your Insta profile while just before this.
Huh.
This video you did, this शायरी उनके ख्वाबों से भी प्यार करें.
That's
You
written by my mom.
my it's written, but you've given credit to Nandita Banerjee. Is
That's my
that
mother. My
that's
mom.
your show? Your mom is a writer, poet.
She's a novelist. She's a writer. She's a script writer.
Wow.
And these are her midnight shairis. And she's also a spiritual guru. So
Wow.
a lot of things. See, unke khwabon mein bhi, this shairi is to do with your inner
Right.
thoughts. It's your Agya Chakra and stuff like that.
Right.
So she modifies it and she creatively writes it, so that it's entertaining, like a shairi.
No, it's so deep, and the way you said it, like I have already seen it few times. I was just
Thank you.
no, if you don't mind. So I think I know now where you get your talented genes from your mother, maybe, right? So I think
Yes.
her sense of if creativity and depth I can see from this shairi. But do you mind saying a few lines from this? उनके ख्वाबों से भी प्यार करें.
I'll have to check the lyrics. Mummy, can
हैं?
you give me the Unke Khwabon Se Bhi Pyar Kare lyrics?
हाँ.
Surely I'll.
You have done it so well. I was just mesmerized by the way I think the poetry itself. You should really compliment your mother, but the way she has written it and the way you have said it. I think.
Yes. Yes.
Does she
I
do
think
it?
me and my mom are a great team. She
Yeah.
writes it so beautifully that it's very easy for me to emote. I don't have to think that, okay, I need to emote it this way, I should say it this way. She
No.
writes it so well that I just know how to say it.
He has written a lot of these shairis.
Yes. In fact, if you go to my IGTV, whatever is there is written by her. Any video that
Wow.
you see, it's
Wow.
all written by her.
So does she also write script for movies or web series? Maybe you can.
Yeah. Even the English poem. There's
Wow.
a nice English poem which is there in my IGTV. Even that's written by her. All of it, actually.
Which one is your favorite?
My favorite is the one which I'm working on right now. This is
Okay.
beautiful. So
Okay.
she's painted a divine goddess, and she's written a poem on divine goddess which I'm reciting and acting on. So that's
Wow.
in the process. It's gonna
Okay,
be
great.
her birthday gift. Which I'm
Oh
gonna-
wow. When is
Yeah.
that?
It's on 20th. So
20th?
I'm planning to this month.
Oh. So you'll put it on your Insta or somewhere?
Yes,
Okay, we look forward to it.
surely.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mummy. It's okay though. আমি এ করতে পারবো না।
Can we say hi to your mom? I really liked her shairi. Can she come? Can I say hi to her?
Mummy. She's in her unkempt
Okay.
this thing right now. So
हाँ.
okay. उनके ख्वाबों से भी प्यार करें। नींद तो टूट जाती है, मगर ख्वाबों से क्यों डरे? ख्वाब में ना होता अहम, ना होता शरीफ, ना जुबानी। ख्वाब तो सिर्फ एक एहसास, एक कहानी। ख्वाब में ना है नकाब, मन की सच्ची प्यास है ख्वाब। जिस आस में हम न जिए न मरे, उनके ख्वाबों से भी प्यार करें।
Wow. No, it's really beautiful. I think it's really beautiful. I think the way you say it and the way I think it's a perfect team your mother has written.
Yeah.
I think I for more of her shairi and how you have said it. I think because I think maybe if I can say, I don't know how many people really appreciate shairi, but I think it is what touches us to our lives, to our inner selves.
Yeah. This is the best way of expressing your thoughts. I'm somebody who has not been very expressive in my life, but when these kind of things come, it just flows out. I don't know how. I think it's just meant to be.
So you are somewhere hinting with all the movies, everything, you've not been able to express yourself really.
I definitely express a lot through my films. That's where I express. That's where I have my actual communication.
So, but do you think, but you maybe you should also do some writing if you're not doing, I don't know, because I think your real no.
I'm terrible. I actually tried a couple of times when I was in college and when I was in school. I used to have this small notebook and I used to write stuff. But then I did like my own thing. People would say it's cool, but everybody says it's cool. But you know what? When it is nice and when it is right, you just know it from inside.
You just know it.
Yeah. So I didn't have that feeling, and I'm like, no, I don't write that.
So, but somewhere you know what is the. But do you want to express through your acting, your dance? What is the right expression you think? But what kind of role or things you're looking for expression?
If I was not an actor, my mom wanted me to have a parallel career in singing. I wanted a parallel career in dancing. That is one thing I really liked. And I really wanted to learn different forms of dancing. And I used to dance pretty well, actually. Now I'm not used to it because of lockdown, there's no practice. And, you need to be dedicated in classes and keep that body activity alive. I'm a bit lazy that way. So dance is a beautiful form of expressing, and the poise, the stretches, the body language, it really speaks a lot about your mind. Singing is a different, singing is emotional, but dancing is more of a vibe. It's more of the aura. So I think that's what I wanted to really do.
But you should really take up then dancing, because I think somewhere everyone knows who they really are. And I think you find yourself most expressive maybe when you dance. That is your.
Yes.
People are very good with their bodies. Some people might be very good with their thoughts and writing or music. Maybe it's your body through which you want to express and through dancing.
I know that I may not be very good at doing a step correctly, but I know that I can perform and not get caught if I've made a mistake. I that much confidence I have. I've always done it. I've always made it up.
Because you're a trained dancer, I think. So you know that. You can get away with it. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but
the idea is to not let the public know that you made a mistake.
But also
be so confident.
Because you must have trained also a lot of years with dance. So,
yes.
But expression is, I think, I also believe is the most beautiful thing a human being can have, because that's what the soul, food for the soul. But I think, some of these shairis, I think, are really good. Sorry.
I hear you.
Okay, sorry. But I'm saying I keep doing these shairis from your mother. I think they're really good.
Yes. We are at it.
And what about food? What all do you like? Is it a lot of Bengali food at your home? Machar jhol and all that, which is there, or no? No machar jhols? No.
No. So machar jhol, that Bengali cuisine is once a month. And we really cherish it because it's once a month, and we really indulge a lot because there's lots of mustard oil. Lots of mustard, pungent food, and so we try to keep it that way. This is not a regular staple food. But what we really like, the entire family, we really love Punjabi food and North Indian. Punjabi and North Indian. We eat more of that. We don't have this staple defined food at home. हम लोग कुछ भी खा लेते हैं, honestly speaking.
In that case, आपको बिरयानी by kilo का हमारा जो बिरयानी और even the mutton nihari and halims, you should try our galotis next time. Our mutton galotis, chicken seeks, and veg galotis are to die for. And the
Why didn't you send it across?
Next time.
You should have sent it to me complimentary.
No, of course, next time. But I think, let me tell you the biryani by kilo USP. I know you like the food. It is also because, we dum cook the biryani in the same handi in which we deliver. And we dum cook it after the order comes. So it's freshly dum cooked. So all the flavors are captured into it. So that's why, biryani by kilo, we take an hour to deliver. Because biryani cannot be dum cooked in 10 minutes or made fresh like pizza in 10 minutes. It takes 40 minutes. So because what you are you're liking the biryani because it's so fresh.
Yeah.
And ingredients used, like the rice we've used, is a premium 2 years naturally aged basmati. The spices have been sourced
It was
from
so soft. Even the
uh,
aroma was so
uh,
good. And
uh,
you know what? The rice is the way it is. It should be. But
uh,
at the same time, it is so soft in your mouth.
soft
You
in your
know,
mouth because
I loved it.
it's a very premium rice. It's a, much premium than any basmati in this country. Even the 5 stars don't use that level of rice. So and we are doing it with the. So if I can tell you a little bit about biryani, I used to be in finance, in hedge fund, private equity. So we wanted to create a company, a chain which is not only in India, worldwide. So we
Wow.
already have 30 outlets in 20 cities in India, and
Wow.
they're doing it with a lot of passion. And because if you and we will, our biryani in Indore or Pune or Jalandhar or Delhi is the same, or kebabs, because a lot of systems and process and or hiring or trainings have been put in place. But anyway, I think you like the food more. That's more important.
I loved it. I loved it. I was like, I should have asked for more.
No, send it to you anytime, anytime. I think how did your mother like it? She loves food.
You won't believe.
Yeah.
As soon as the delivery happened, my brother went down to have it collected. She was ready with her tray, her spoon, and her thali, ready to eat. I'm like, Mom, where is our plates? Y'all take your own respective plates. I am ready to eat. I don't know what are you gonna do.
And
You're gonna sit and take pictures, and you're gonna do this and that. You do all that. I'm ready. And she actually relished it, and she finished it off.
no, I think thanks. I really, your mother must be a great foodie, and being an artist, she understands. She must be
Both
understand.
of us. Both of us.
And the Lucknowi biryani and the Calcutta biryani is not like Hyderabad. It's very flavors and very gentle, right?
Yeah.
So very different flavor, which you,
Yes.
yeah, yeah.
In fact, I had Kolkata dum biryani after so long now. The flavor in Kolkata ही बहुत अच्छा लगता है, but this actually matched up to that one,
Best of
to
to
the
that.
authentic Kolkata biryani, and
Like,
I love aloo.
so Calcutta, mein, if you go to Arsenal or Shiraj or Mezman, so it's like that kind of a biryani.
Yes, yes. So I had beautiful variety of lunch today. Like
Lunch.
all the three best authentic stuff that I wanted to have.
Now
Really
you know.
enjoyed.
Now you know.
Yeah.
So if I can tell the viewers, at Biryani by Kilo at our website, there's a safety standards tab where we have listed all the precautions and safety and extra hygiene measures we are taking. So the kitchen is sanitized every hour. The biryani delivery bags are sanitized after every order. All employees' temperature is put on website for all outlets. Anyone can check. Contactless delivery, and the biryani handi is sealed. So
Yeah.
it's only opened by the customer, and it's at 300 degrees centigrade. It's cooked, so no virus can survive. And it's delivered in a tamper-proof sealed bag, so people can take comfort that all the precautions are taken care and all that.
Yeah, that is very important. In fact, thanks to lockdown, we have become far more hygiene conscious. We have become far more careful about what we eat. And of course, we can never let go of our favorite food. So it is important that you have taken
Right.
this step to make us feel secure and
Yes.
make us feel that we can still indulge in our favorite food while being extremely we are aware that it's safe and it's good.
No,
So
thank you.
I'm really thankful to you for doing this.
No, I think so. I just wanted to say that so that people feel safe while they are eating. And but where are you more? I wanted to ask. You've done so many South Indian movies. Are you more popular in South or in North or Mumbai? How does it work?
So I'm actually pretty popular in South, and but my that popularity has been there over the years. I am more loved over here because of the TV show I did past year, and that has given me a lot of recognition,
You
lot
want
of
to
love.
which TV show, if you don't mind? Which was that?
This was called Divya Drishti.
Oh, Divya Drishti. Wow. Okay.
So I was Divya in Divya Drishti.
Yeah, of course. Sorry, I watch less TV, so I have a little less idea of that. So I think.
But I'm glad you're aware of the show. You know that such
No, no.
show. Yeah.
So that has given you a lot of popularity in Bombay and North.
Yes.
But
It's
what
a national language, so it helps everywhere.
So, so how does it happen when you go out in Bombay in cafes, etc.? Like, do you get, of course, recognized? Do you get a better table? How does it work?
Well, people know me enough to actually invite me over. Like how the way I got biryanis at home today. I have been getting people send me food, and I'm such a foodie, and they love sending it over to me because I relish it. I share it with all the people in my social media that I'm eating this, you know. And so I have a very good bond with all these people who send food over to me.
Uh,
And of course, because of lockdown, I can't even move out. That's the best way. And earlier, also, all I had to do is just pick up a call and say, "Dude, I'm coming," and they would be like, "Okay." I would keep all your favorite stuff ready
so
even before you entered.
lot of benefits being a celebrity. Yeah?
Totally,
So,
totally. The kind of love and affection you get from people it's a blessing.
uh,
Seriously.
but sometimes, do you feel like you want to be anonymous? You don't want anyone to know you do certain things. Does it work like that?
So when I'm in my private space, suppose I'm out with my mom and I don't really want to get disturbed. See, I'm an actor. I have to be mentally prepared that if I am known, people will come up to me, and if people don't come up to me, then it's sad. So I need to be mentally prepared. I will go out only when I'm prepared to give autographs, to give photographs. Otherwise, it's a disrespect to your fans. I would never do that.
Okay, okay.
That is one thing I would never do. So I will go out only that way. Otherwise, I would not go out.
And what else do you like in life? Like you like to I know you like food. I know you like music and dance. You like acting. What else do you like? Traveling, some other things, reading.
From past 2 years, I have this insane drive to travel. You know what? I really want to be a travel blogger as well, apart from my acting, because I get to see so many places in detail. I get to live the culture. I get to eat different food. You know, I really want to enrich myself with more different cultures. I really want to see how different people are, how they live, how they eat, what they wear, what they buy. You know, have souvenirs of everything in my own house and make it my own universe. I really want to do that.
Where all did you travel in the last 2 years? Which places did you like?
Um, Last 2 3 years, I have traveled to USA. I love LA. I love LA. I love Miami. I'm dying to go to Maldives. I really want. I don't know how the trip's gonna happen if we plan a trip now. I don't think it's gonna be allowed. But maybe if my work takes me there, or something like that, you know, then they will take proper precaution. They have their own
Yes.
ways of taking care of things and you know, giving you that standard, which I might not know people directly. So maybe my work takes me there, and I really want to go and stay in that underwater resort for a day, and you know, have that whole thing.
So
So I
I'm
love
sure,
Maldives.
I'm sure someone will take your hint and you will go there soon. But when you say LA and Miami, so do you like big cities more? You know, big cities, restaurants, or do you like nature more, or smaller
I
towns?
like nature. In fact, I don't mind going to small villages where you actually get to see the authentic people.
Authentic.
See, metropolitan city is gonna be same like Bombay.
Yeah.
Okay, more lights, more beautified. That's the only difference what you're gonna find in a New York or a
Yeah.
this thing. But when you go to these villages and these small towns, that's where you actually get to see the authentic stuff.
Right, right.
So that's what I want to do. I want to go to these places.
Uske liye maybe you drive from New York to California. I think you'll see the whole rural or semi-rural US or through Europe. I think that will be more fun.
That'll be amazing,
That'll be,
actually.
huh, huh, huh.
Yeah.
So I think you like everything: travel, food. I think music, dance, acting. I think, and lot of friends. You have a lot of friends, or like a very limited friends.
Yeah. I hope something like this happens, like a mini travel blogging, you know, 3 months tour or something like that. I'm wishing for something like that. I want to.
Yeah, maybe some movies which are about traveling. Maybe you can do a travel documentary, or you become a travel blogger for a few months, right? That'll be fun.
Yeah. I would love to do that. I would love to be a travel blogger for a few months. Like, you know, share my experience, share the beauty of nature with people. I would love to do that. I'm looking
I,
forward to it.
no, I can sense it. You like people, you like food, you like culture. So I think it will be. But normally, when you travel, do you travel alone? You travel with your family? How does it work?
No, my mom. Most of the
Your
time.
mom. Your mom
So
seems like your soulmate. Eh?
she is actually. She's the only person who is the closest to me, and I can just drag her whether she likes it or not, and she'll happily come along.
No, I'll wait for your that whatever shairi or the thing you're going to do for your mom on 20th July. We'll wait
Yes,
for Instagram. I think
that's gonna be my by far the best video. My
best.
mom thinks I've done really well in that.
हाँ, आप जाने से पहले कोई एक और जो आपको अच्छा लगा शायरी एक और सुना दीजिए 2-4 लाइन मतलब मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा जब आपने बोला कोई एक और है जो आपको
Mummy,
हाँ.
one more shairi. Which is your favorite?
Your favorite हाँ.
Which is your favorite? Any other? Definitely. Kunta? There is one very, very heart-touching sonnet she wrote for my dad. My dad's no more.
Okay, sorry.
And yeah, so she wrote it so beautifully. I couldn't read it.
I love
Like,
to, but can you say that? I love to hear that from you.
I will read it out. It's very difficult for me to read. Firstly, because I understand a woman's emotion, and secondly, it's about my father.
Sorry.
So I'm just opening it up. It's too much. I don't know how she wrote it. Really, I really don't know.
I love to meet your mother sometime. I'm sure the way she's a very, very deep heart. Yeah.
Yes, she is. Check in your folders, though. Others check in Creative Jack.
आप बंगाली में क्या बोल रहे हो उन्हें प्यार से बोल रहे हो डांट रहे हो
She's searching for it. Mommy, check in Creative Jack. So she
enjoying
keeps all the things written in her folder, and I'm just asking her to open the folder and check.
so how is this biryani by kilo gulab jamun compared to maybe Bengali sandesh laddu sandesh ভালো ভালো ছে ভালো
Amazing. Amazing. Amazing is not the word. See, no.
कोई
One
बात
second,
नहीं
let me find.
take her time we can wait for such a wonderful time
Yeah. Give your phone, no? Mommy, give your phone, na? Give your phone. Phone is Creative Jack. Okay, let's check it out. मोहब्बत तेरे अंजाम पे रोना आया. Yeah. The last gift? The last gift? Let's check. Oh my god.
why are they calling you Ria are you were
Sorry?
you were you Ria in some character they are saying love you Ria some people on the screen
There are comments, yeah.
okay.
Good. No. So this is Letting Go.
Okay.
The title is Letting Go. The last gift. Excitedly, I combed the shops for a gift for my beloved. The pale blue printed t-shirt, a cap made specially for his head. I longed to see his eyes, his laughing eyes, for he was far away spot. Heart thumping, I took my flight. Was he expected me or not? The last time I was with him, I had torn our spirits apart. I wanted to make up oh so badly, for I could not let him apart. No cry, no fuss, no crack. And then I saw your last message. Mummy, it's not there. Wait. I'm going to read this again.
Yeah, please.
Excitedly, I combed the shops for a gift for my beloved. The pale blue printed t-shirt, a cap made specially for his head. I longed to see his laughing eyes, for he was far away spot. Heart thumping, I took my flight. Was he expecting me or not? The last time I was with him, we had torn our spirits apart. I wanted to make up, oh so badly, for I could not let him part. Little did I know that you had gone. No cry, no fuss, no crack. And then I saw your last message. When are you coming back? Was this his retribution? To see me draping the gift I'd lovingly got? On his cold, unmoving body, I will never know his thought. Handsome and dewy, in life and in death, I stared through the stupor and mist. The fire leapt and trembled. Owing him in a possessive tryst, in a haze of disbelief, I watched it blaze and burn away. The traces of my physical bond, my right, all ebbing away. It seems just yesterday when I touched the smile you always wore. You have won every time because you loved me more. They say the past is buried, so are the sorrows. But that one yesterday is more precious than all the tomorrows. You never let me face the world alone. I still hear your voice, and I'll keep my promises to you of transcending the noise. I know I need to break the charm for my fragmented, chastened care. Yet, I deter to let go of my touch from your last wisp of hair.
No, I could, it's so beautifully written, and I could see your emotions in your eyes and your throat. I think you were almost ready to, I think, cry.
So, we were in London when Dad passed away, and
Yeah.
my brother called me, and then he just couldn't speak. He was just saying, Baba gone. I'm like, what gone? Where gone?
Hmm.
After so many hours, we took a flight, and then we came, and
But
crazy experience.
it was sudden, not expected.
Not at all. Not at all. And I was supposed to travel that day. I've been telling Dad that, 19th April, 15th April, 17th April, and finally 19th April. He said, Aja, 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 Aja. I was shooting. And 19th April, he went. He couldn't wait anymore.
But if I can ask, how many years back was this?
3 years, no?
Oh, sorry.
3
Sorry,
years.
not very far, but very
Yeah.
sad. Sure, you were very close as a family and everything.
So after my dad's passing, we lost my grandparents also, who were like equally very close to me. Like more than my parents, I love my grandparents. Sorry. So they also passed away in a week's time. It was just crazy. And then we went into spirituality. We learned a lot of other things in life. That's how my mom, she's a very strong woman.
She writes beautifully, and I think those emotions come across, and I think they will give you the strength going forward in life. Those emotions become your strength.
Yes. Yes.
Hmm.
We use our emotions correctly, it can just take you anywhere you want.
Take you in, because I think emotions, if so deep, they can make you pure. I think they make you relax, and then you
lot
can
of things.
lot of things.
True. Yeah.
No, it's very beautiful. It's really a beautiful chat with you. आप एक चीज और बताइए जाने से पहले, आपके नाम का मतलब क्या है, नायरा?
Okay, if you break my name and see, Nai means water, Ra means sun god, and Naira means beauty of Goddess Saraswati.
Okay. Very beautifully. Your mother must have kept your name, so beautiful. I think.
Yes.
No, I think you are a beautiful and such a positive person, and I don't have words to describe. I'm really touched talking to you.
Thank
Thank you
you so much.
so much. I really, really, God bless you. Have a great, great life. Wish you all
Thank
the.
you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you
And
so much.
give my regards to your mother. Yeah,
Surely.
thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank
Have
you.
a great day.